Hi guys, this is Sanket. Welcome to the new video. And come inside. So I came to Mumbai, and this is the place where I'm staying. This is Marriott, and there are two things that I wanted to share with you guys. So I have a meeting, so I came to Mumbai. But I was coming through Pune Mumbai Express Highway, and this time I decided not to put my car into the sports mode because sport mode is lit, but had a lot of calls. And also what I did, I put the car into cruise mode, and set the limit at 90 km/h. And the shocking thing that I saw when I reached to Mumbai, my car was returning me 26 km/L mileage, and that was lit. I mean, I was thinking that how come a car whose engine is 2000 cc and who has this extremely huge power output, or around 190 200 horsepower, how can that engine be giving me 26 km/L? I mean, that's the reason why you pay so much money to those German technology. I mean, it is perfectly synced and tuned in such a way that it will give you the performance and the efficiency as well. And apart from that, it is giving me 17 km/L in the city. And I'm not kidding. I'm not BMW didn't pay me for this. This is like real. I don't have a lot of subscribers, around 450 500 subscribers I do have. So you can understand the power of the this new generation engines that BMW is having. So guys, yeah, that is something important. I'm putting the screenshot as well, and you can definitely see that. The second thing that I wanted to discuss, that recently I have been going through a dilemma that should I switch to completely trading sort of career. So I'm going through that. So I decided to take a day off and think about it. Think about it for a day and see what we can do in the month of April or May maybe. So that's it. And apart from that, I'm also shooting one more vlog for you guys, the launch control of BMW 3 Series, and I mean that's something that you would be interested. So that vlog is coming soon. So guys, if you guys are liking my videos and with the content that I'm putting on YouTube, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon as well. And you can obviously follow me on Instagram. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Stay happy, stay awesome.